Let's enter in a keyword or phrase, even teaching points, things of that nature that you can use. Let me see. Health care administration. Just going to do this. Healthcare administration. Just random. All right. Now, one of the things that I love about Google is the fact that when you bring it up, it already puts things in order for you by frequency of use, right? The very first things you're going to see is that there are some sponsored things. So these are ads, right? Still may be helpful for what you're looking for, but not exactly what you're looking for, right? But here's the goal right here, right? I'm going to go back a little bit and share with you that Coursera actually has something that is brand new. It's actually about a month old. What is healthcare administration? So that's a really great link that you can look into also. But let's look into this area right here. What this is the actual language or the prompt. Like we put in that prompt right there. These are the prompts that other people have been sharing and looking up information as it relates to healthcare administration. So what is the role of healthcare administration? Is a healthcare administrator degree worth it? What is the study of healthcare administration, right? Now, here is the goal. First of all, these are in order of frequency as far as people who have accessed this particular information. And this is the language that they're using. But look here, when you click this and depress it, you'll see that list is getting longer. And what I share with my students all the time is that there is never a reason why you should be out of material to post about. Look at all of this. And these are basically questions that you know in real time that your people that are looking for that information are looking for. So let's explore one of them. This top one here, it actually has a little blurb about it, as well as where that link came from. So you can get some additional information and planning there. But as long as you continue to click this icon here, it's going to continue to bring you stuff. I want to show you one other thing at the top. There's 7.6, is that trillion? I think that's trillion. I think. Wait a minute, 100 million billion, that's billion. So 7.6 billion results. So if you click this thing, it'll continue to bring you results. That's not all. I thought you'd think that was all. Nope, that's not all. There's additional information down here. You keep scrolling down the page, there's a whole other block of people also ask. Again, the language of your dot is right here. And the same thing applies. Click it, depress. And it'll keep pulling information for you. You see that list is getting longer. Now here's what you can use this for practically. Say that you're looking for a Facebook post that you want to do. This is actually a question. What is an example of a healthcare administrator? That's a question that you can answer that you know people are searching for and keeping on down there. Let me show you one last area here. This area here are links that are related to that initial search that we have, right? Let's say that you're looking for dollars, how much they make. If you click this, watch this. Gives you the salary. Pulls another 1.2 billion pieces of information, this time without the sponsored ads. And look at there's another one. So the amount of information that you can get on here is infinite. Enjoy it.